In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize your files using Google Drive. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for storing and managing your documents, photos, and more, and knowing how to navigate and organize your space can save you tons of time and hassle. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive's homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account, enter your email and password, and voila, you're in. Having access to Google Drive is like having a personal digital filing cabinet available from any device with an internet connection. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. There, you'll notice a button marked with a plus sign labeled New. This button is your gateway to creating new documents, spreadsheets, and in this case, folders. Click on the plus new button to get started on organizing your drive. Once you've clicked on new, you'll see a drop-down menu presenting you with different options. From here, select new folder. Creating folders is like adding drawers to your filing cabinet, and it's a crucial step for keeping everything neat and tidy. Naming your folders appropriately can help you find your files faster in the future, so take a moment to think about how you want to organize your content. After selecting new folder, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your folder. Make sure the name reflects the type of content you plan to place in it. Perhaps you're organizing by project name, by date, or by content type. Whatever method works best for you, stick to it to maintain consistency. Once you've decided on a name, click Create. Congratulations, you've just set up your new folder and you're well on your way to a more organized digital workspace. Don't forget, once your folder is created, you can always move files into it to keep your drive clutter-free. Simply drag and drop existing documents into your new folder or right-click Files and select the Move To option, directing them into the appropriate folder. This small act of file organization can dramatically improve your efficiency when searching for specific files later on. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Google Drive is not only a storage space, but an organized and efficient tool to enhance productivity. Remember, a well-organized drive not only saves time, but also reduces stress, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.